You never know. Isang kwento lang, baka makasave kayo ng buhay. Sobrang bilis ng panahon. I was diagnosed with breast cancer 2001 and now it's 2022 na. Kasi nung panahon na yon, nung nagkakimo ako sa US, ang nagpagaling talaga sa atin is yung I Am Amazing Barley natin. Tinry ko lang siya kasi sobrang hirap yung dinanas ko sa chemotherapy at the time. Kasama ko si Lexi, yung aking anak dati who was only 6 years old at the time. Ngayon, Diyos ko, 28 years old na siya. And my only dream back then was makita siyang lumaki, makita siyang ikasal, na sana Lord, huwag mo muna ako kunin. Yun lagi yung pinagdadasal ko noon. And yet, sobra-sobra pa doon ang binigay ni Lord. Binigay niya sa akin yung ability para mahanap yung barley natin and to share it with everybody in I Am Worldwide. I feel so blessed. I just want to say na sana ma-experience nyo rin yung blessing na natanggap ko because of the discovery of our barley. I was able to recover fully. I live a full life. I'm able to travel anywhere in the world to speak about the barley. I-share ko sa lahat ng tao sa Pilipinas until nakapag-partner ako sa I Am. So talagang lahat ng member ngayon, movers, you're a big part of making my life purpose and my dream come true. Continue to bless others, continue to be proud of our products. Hindi lang ang barley, lahat ng produkto natin talagang pinupursigi kong gawin with the best quality products from all over the world. I would like to reiterate also sa ating mga movers and distributors kung saan man kayo sa mundo that our product is 100% GMO free. It is not genetically altered in any way. From farm to table po tayo, as in hinarvest sa farm, pinadala sa Pilipinas, ni-repack natin, and diretso sa table ninyo. Wala po tayong dinadagdag, walang binabawas. Purong-puro po ang natatanggap ninyo. Organic, meaning to say po, pag organic, nagbabago ang kulay, nagbabago ang lasa, nagbabago ang amoy, nagbabago ang texture. Huwag po kayo nagugulat or nababahala kapag nag-iiba. Normal po yun kapag organic. Isa pa, we are gluten-free also. So kahit po hindi nakakakain ng mga wheat or oats ang isang tao, pwede po nilang i-take ang ating barley. Hindi po sila sisikmurain. In fact, magagamot pa po ang acidity ng katawan natin. The other thing I would also like to remind all our movers is to please not tell your clients not to buy from any online platforms. Yung hindi po tayo nagbebenta sa Lazada or sa Shopee or sa any other platforms from online. Kung gusto niyo po talagang makasiguro na tunay ang barley ninyo, sa legitimate distributor lang po kayo bibili. At lahat po ng legitimate distributors ng I Am Worldwide, meron pong distributor card. Meron po silang ID. So, hingan nyo po ng ID para to make sure that you're buying the original and you're buying from a legitimate distributor. Movers, keep moving. Change the world. You never know. Isang kwento lang, baka makasave kayo ng buhay. God bless you all. Andito lang po ako lagi, supporting you. I love you all. God bless. Your Barley Crew.